Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate your likes, your subscribe, your sharing the video. And I love your comments. It encourages me and let me know that I'm on the right track. So thank you so very kindly. Make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, Louisiana, the NOLA Southern Experience. July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. For all the detailed information, please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. So this dance is called Let's Groove. This is the tutorial. If you want to dance along to the music, just watch till the end and I'll post the video. This is a 2-wall dance, okay? So let's get started. So stand on this side and let's look at this in this direction. So by being a 2-wall dance, instead of teaching with my back turned, once I turn to this wall here, the second wall, you're going to be looking back at the camera. So, by me teaching from the side, you can see my footwork and we're dancing side by side. Also, when I turn, guess what? We're still dancing side by side and you can see my footwork, okay? So let's do it. So, we're going to walk to the right and we're going to walk to the left. 5, 6, 7, and right, right tap, left, right, tap, right. Easy enough, right? Now, you can do a roll back, full turn, or you can walk to the right, walk to the left. So I'm going to go right, tap left, right, tap right. If you don't want to do that, all you do is right, tap left, right, tap right. Okay? So it's basically you're walking to the right and the left, right, left. The second time, you can just walk or do a roll back. Okay? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, tap. Left, right, tap. Roll right, left, right, tap right. Okay? Now, the next thing is a kickball change. So my right heel is up, I kick forward and come back and tap back on the left. So I'm alternating. Right and left, kick left, back right, kick right, back left, kick left, back right. That's a kickball change. 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, right, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Let's put it together from the top, walking to the right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? From here, we're going to do a rocking chair. Now, this part here, she does a chant. When you go up, you rock up, you go let's groove. Let's groove. The name of the dance. And you're going to do that twice. 5, 6, 7, and let's groove. Let's groove. All right? Now let's go back to the top and we're going to add that part. 5. This time I'm not going to do the roll back. I'm just going to walk to the right and walk to the left. Just to give you an option, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kickball change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, rocking chair. Let's groove. Let's groove. All right? Now we're going to run it up. Right, left, up. Right, left, right. And come back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, from the top and walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the kickball change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and rock. Let's groove. Let's groove. Run it up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So I go right, left, right, right, left, right. So I go up on the right, right, left, right, and come back on the right, right, left, right. Then I rock, right, left, right, left. So you're doing all that running up and running back, and you're going to stay here, and you're going to rock for 4. Right, left, right, left. From here, we're going to go to our second wall. We're going to step pivot quarter 2 times with the right shoulder coming forward. Right, left, that's a quarter. Right, left, that's a quarter. Okay? That's how we get to our second wall. Okay? Then we're going to do a jazz square crossing over. Right, left, right, and fan. Knees come in, down, and in, out. And the weight, I'm pushing my weight to the front, the ball of my feet, so my heels come up a little bit, okay? So I have to shift my weight from the back to the front. And 8. We're at our second wall. The dance starts over. So instead of going back to the original wall, we can do the same thing here. We're dancing side by side. Here we go. Walking to the right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll back. It's 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6 with the kickball change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 with the rock and chair. And let's groove. Let's groove. Run it up. Right, left, right, right, left, right, and right, left, quarter turn, jazz square, right, left, and fan. Did you get it? We're going to do it again. So instructors, because the music is so fast, this is the perfect dance for any level because it's a cardio workout. The steps are simple, but it's a cardio workout. You want to give your seniors a chance to raise their heart rate, okay? Don't do the same tempo. That's not cardiovascular training, okay? Cardiovascular training is when you get the heart rate up, okay? They'll adapt to it. That's how you do cardio conditioning, by getting their heart rate up. So if I was playing this song, I won't play it at the very beginning of the class. I'll play a warm up. I'll do some slower tempo, but I'll build up. Your playlist should always be a crescendo, which is you start slow, you play faster and faster music. That's how I arrange the songs on my playlist. And then the faster songs I put at the top. So say for the instance, if the class is for an hour, in 30 minutes in the class, you should be up there. And I'll stay up there for like 2 or 3, at least 3 songs. I'll play 3 fast songs, and then I'll start coming back off of that crescendo, playing some slower songs, okay? And then at the end of that hour, you're doing a cool down with slower songs, okay? All right, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, walk it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with the kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Rock and chant. Let's groove. Let's groove. Run it up. Right, left, right, left, right. Rock, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. 5, 6, 7, and 8. More practice. Just gotta practice. Let's start again right here. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not gonna roll back. I'm gonna just walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And let's groove. Help me say it. Let's Group, run it up. Right, left, right, left, right, and right, left, pivot quarter, jazz square, right, and fan. In the dance. All right? This is a workout. Make sure you check me out in the demo. I'm gonna be throwing down. This is old school. CAMEO. CAMEO. You know CAMEO? Shake Your Pants by CAMEO. Guys, I want to talk to you a little bit more about NOLA Southern Experience. Make sure you go to our website and get all the information and book from our website. I already have a question in my email about somebody reservation at the hotel. I'm hoping I can help her if she's in our room block. But if she called the hotel or she went through a third party, I'm not going to be able to help her. So it's so important. We ran through a lot of problems last time, people booking outside of our room block. That is important because when you're in our room block, we have control. If you want to change your reservation, we can do that, okay? Now, so make sure you check out the demo. Let's dance together. Check out the 4-day line dance weekend, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.